Hey guys, just wanted to share this with you. Trying to record, just a minute. 1 minute, let me get through. Okay, so just trying to share this with you. This audio I'm trying to record on the trial GoPro 11 that I have with the media mod. There is some problem I'm facing with this. There's a lavalier, JBL lavalier mic that I've connected, which is with inside the helmet. But I think the mod is acting up, and I am not able to get good connectivity, so I'm losing audio. I don't know how long this is going to work, or if it's going to work through my trip. I should have done this check well before we started, but here we are. So far so good. I've had to make a few iterations, to keep the recording going. But maybe I may have to use some other method going forward. So let's see how this goes. Yeah. Okay, what have we got here? There is one more check post coming up. Okay, so it's election time in Karnataka. Last week of April, we'll have elections starting here. So a lot of these checkposts I've seen along the way. I've luckily not got stopped on any one of it. This is set up to ensure that there is no transaction of cash that's happening across the state. So all for good reason.